Hi everyone, my name is Syafa Ramaputri Andika and my friends.
Raisya Fitri.
Today we will present conversation about smoking in campus area. Hi Raisya.
Hi Syafa.
Did you see any students smoking near campus this morning?
Yes, I saw him. I really surprised because smoking is forbidden on our campus right.
Exactly. The rules clearly state no smoking area, but some students still ignore them.
The hat read is not but only but for the head but also for the hair.
I agree. The smell makes me uncomfortable.
Me too, I think the campus school imposes sticker penalty for smoking in public place.
Yeah, maybe something like fine or community service that will make them think twice.
I for sure will add to what I clean and healthy campus every month for men.
Of course, let's see a good example by obeying our own rules.
Our girls not smoking, just studying and studying the hard.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Syafa Rahmaputri Andika. Here I will present the question world. First, understand question world. Interrogative verbs are question words such as what, when, where, who, why, and how. Used to form interrogative sentence to request specific information about time, place, person, thing, reason, and method. In English, the words are also often called VH question and cannot be answered with just yes or no. The main function of question world is number one, requesting specific information. Aim to elicit a clear and detailed answer, not just a yes or no. Number two, forming question. Used to ask questions that ask for more information about a subject, such as a person, object, or event. Number three, forming clause. In addition to direct conversation, question question word can also be used to form noun clauses and adjective clause. Next, example of question word. Who, what, where, when, which, why, whose, and how. Next, who. We use who when we want to ask about people. And then what? We use what when we want to ask about things, animal, and action. Next, where. We use where when we want to ask about place. When. We use when we we use when we want to ask about time. Occasion moment. Next, what time? We use what time when we want to ask about time hour. Which? We use which when we want to ask about choice preference. Next, why? We use why we want to ask about reason. Whose? We use whose when we want to ask about ownership possession. Next, how? We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. The question word how consists of how old. We use how old when we want to ask about age. Next, how much or money. We use how much or money when we want to ask about number, quantity, of price. Next, how far. We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Next, how long. We use how long we want to ask about duration like. Next, question word formula. Who. Who plus be or verb plus subject. What. What plus be or verb plus subject. Where. Where plus be or verb plus subject. When. When plus be or verb plus subject. Next, which. Which plus be or verb plus subject. Why. Why plus be or verb plus subject. Whose. Whose plus noun plus be or verb plus subject. How. How plus be or verb plus subject. Next, the main benefits of question world. Number one, obtaining information. Help obtain specific details that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. Number two, understanding and explaining. Used to ask and explain a situation, process, or thing in depth. Number three, forming a conversation, an essential element in starting and maintaining the flow of a conversation, both in direct and indirect speech. Number four, enriching communication. Mastering question world is crucial for effective communication in English because they are the fundamental element in asking questions. Next, purpose of question world. The purpose of using question world is obtain specific information about people, object, place, time, reason, methods, and route, and other things. Question world also vocation to form more complex clauses such as noun clauses and adjective clauses. Next, tips for using question world. Make sure the question world is always at the beginning of the sentence. Use do or does or did if the main verb is not to be. Next, use is or am or are or was or were directly if the sentence used to be. Next, for modal verbs can will must, you use the following pattern. Question word plus modal plus subject plus verb. Next, question word learning tips. Number one, memorize the basic meaning of each question word. Number two, practice making interrogative sentence with various verbs. Do, is, did, and will. Next, number three, using question world is using question world in everyday conversation. Next, understand the concept. How much, how many, who, whom, and pay attention to subject verbs agreement when constructing sentence. And thank you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.